Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert any YouTube video into PDF notes using Google Notebook LM in 2026. So let's get started. First, open YouTube in your web browser. In the search bar, type the topic you want to create notes for. For this example, search for "What is algebra?" From the search results, open the video you want to convert into notes. Click on the three-dot menu next to the video options. Now, click on the share icon. A new window will appear with different sharing options. From there, click on Copy to copy the YouTube video link. Once the link is copied, open a new tab in Google Chrome and search for Notebook LM. From the search results, open the Google Notebook LM website. When the website opens, a new window or workspace will appear. Click on the website option under the source options where you can add a YouTube link. Now, paste the copied YouTube video URL into the URL box and click on the Insert button. Notebook LM will process the video and automatically generate a summary based on the content. Wait for the process to complete. After the summary is created, look at the right side menu and click on the slide deck option. Notebook LM will take some time to prepare the slide deck. Once it is finished, the generated file will appear in the bottom right corner. Click on the file to open and review the document. Now, click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the document window. From the options, select Download PDF File. The PDF file will be downloaded to your computer with your YouTube video notes. And that's it. This is how you can easily convert YouTube videos into PDF notes using Google Notebook LM. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more AI tools, productivity tips, and computer tutorials.